Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Instagram following into an Excel doc. I'm going to be doing it into a Google spreadsheet, but you can copy and paste it into Excel afterwards. This way, it just makes sure everyone has access to the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen to set up. Just open a Google Drive, create a new spreadsheet, and you want to have 2 tabs already created. I have a third for the 2 formulas I'm going to use. You will find those formulas in the comments of this video. So you will need to do this on a computer. Go to your Instagram page and click on your following. This is not me, but this is one of my favorite influencers for those of you who are a faith-based working woman. So following. So you'll pull that up and then you will click, select, and drag down. And you will let it keep going, go until you get to the bottom of your list. Okay. You want to do the whole thing. It might take a while. The better your internet, the faster it's going to go. So don't do this at a time that you don't have good internet. I'm not going to do their entire friends list just for the sake of, I don't need their entire friends list. So I'm just going to highlight a few, but note, you want to do your whole thing. From there, Command C to copy it, go over, Command V to paste it. Simple enough. From here, with that, you're going to go to Data, create a filter. From there, click on these, clear the whole thing, and then type in follow. And if you have follow and following, just do both of them. I would also check if there's anything that says verified. And if so, select that as well. Hit OK. That will take all of this. What you want to do is click on that so it highlights the whole thing. Next, you're going to click Shift Command down arrow. That's going to take all of them to the bottom. Then on any of them, right click, delete selected rows. I'm going to keep going quickly because you can always go back and watch this again later if you miss something. So data, remove filter. So now I have their handle and their names. Then you're going to take the first formula, mod row 2, whatever. You are going to copy it. Once again, you'll find this in the comments. Go to the top thing, paste, and then go, so it's no longer an arrow, but that little plus sign, and double click, and it'll do 1010 all the way down. From here, you need to spot check. What you're doing is spot checking that everyone has a handle and a name, because this is going to get super messed up for those people who don't have a name in there. So what I do is I just spot check all the way down. I'm knowing that all of the underlines should have a 1 next to them. So I kind of go, okay, they have a 1. Oh, so here we go. Look at this. This one has a 0. So I go back up 0, 0. Where did it get off? And what you're looking for, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, here it is. Here's the problem child right here. Is this person does not have a name. So just click, right click, insert 1 row above and give them a name. Doesn't really matter. And then type in the 0 next to it that was missing. So spot check your whole list. This will take a while, but trust me, it just makes less of a headache later. All right, I got to the bottom and I have all of that. From here, scroll back to the top, click on the whole thing, right click, insert 1 column to the left. This is where you're going to take your second formula. This one, indirect, all of that stuff. Copy it, paste it. What it's doing, it's taking every other one and bringing it over. So it took the next one down. Once again, get your plus arrow, double click. So now I have all of the names. From here, select this, Command C to copy, go to your final tab. But instead of just Command V, you want to right click, paste special, values only. So this will paste the names instead of like the formula of what it had. So now you have all the names. Go back, you can delete, right click, delete column. From here, you're going to go back to data, create a filter, and get all of the zeros up in there, because now we want to take all of those names that we had and get rid of them. So left click, shift command down arrow. So it's highlighted, right click, delete selected rows. It will have this because you deleted all that, but that's because you had a filter there. You can go ahead and remove the filter, and here are all the handles. select it, copy, come on over, right click, paste special, values only, boom, and there you have it. From here, you can go ahead and go in and add in your own thing if you're leaving it in Spreadsheet. So you could do name, handle, and what you can do in here is you can create conditional formatting that'll really help you out. So whatever you're trying to track here, select it. You're going to go to format, conditional formatting. If the cell is not empty, you can do other things if text contains a certain things, but I like to just do highlighting it if it's not empty. Let's do a nice pretty blue there. So if you're tracking something, this person X, and maybe I'm trying to track if they said they were happy with something. So this person was happy, this person was happy, and this person was happy. Ta-da! What this will help you do is later on, if you want to send like a note to all the people who were happy, you can go in, create a filter, and then get rid of all of the X's, all the blanks, and then you're filtering just by the people who are happy. So this just makes everything so much simpler to track and go by. Hope that you found this video helpful, and there you go.